Hey there, how's it going? This is Johan here with Delgado Detailing, and I'm assuming if you're watching this video that you're interested in getting your paint polished or getting one of my paint corrections. And so today I have a one-step paint correction on this awesome Jeep right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the whole process from start to finish so that you guys can feel confident when booking with me. So maybe you're asking yourself right now, like, this paint looks pretty dang good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you two up-close videos of the paint. Although it's a white car, it actually does have a lot of scratches. White tends to hide a lot of those surface scratches. So you go ahead and see in the first video with no light that the paint looks pretty good. But as soon as I put a light to it, you'll be able to see all the slight scratches and swirl marks and imperfections in the paint. Now, what a one-step paint correction is gonna do, it's gonna remove around 50 to 70% of all the imperfections in the paint. And my favorite part of a one-step paint correction is that it's actually going to bring out a whole lot of gloss. So like I said, I'm going to show you the process from start to finish so you guys can see for yourselves if this is the right fit for you. So now once I'm done polishing the area, what polishing does is it actually will leave your paint completely bare with no protection, unless you use a polish that has protection in it, but I don't do that. And as you guys saw, I mean, the results were really good for a one-step, and that was maybe 1 minute of working time on the panel. So what I'm gonna use now is my newest spray sealant that I've been working with. It's beaded up. This will give around a 2 to 3 month super hydrophobic paint protection on all the painted surfaces. And of course, the duration of the protection depends on a lot of factors. Is a car daily driven? Is it sit outside in the sun? Is it garage kept? But you can expect around 2 to 3 months of this paint sealant. And I'm gonna use it with, again, my paint specific towels. They don't touch anything except for paint, and these will not mar or scratch up the paint. So I'll apply it with that. What I'll just do is I'll shake it up a little bit, do a little quick spray. Just not really much is needed at all. And then with one side of the towel, I'll work it into the paint. And this stuff smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it. Once I've spread it all around, I'll flip it out to the dry side and just do a really quick buff. And just like that, this fender is now protected for 2 to 3 months, and it is going to be super hydrophobic, and the paint is butter smooth. So I hope you guys have found this video educational and helpful in any means, and hopefully you guys now have the confidence to build the book with me and know exactly what you're gonna be getting for your money. But yeah, like I said, this was a one-step paint correction. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car, and I will post some pictures of the results afterwards. You guys can see it, but I'm super excited. This is gonna be a fun job. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.